With Valotalive, you can enable data-driven decisions and connect with every employee everywhere. Our digital signage allows you to share live dashboards and real-time company news that empowers your entire workforce. In this video, we'll quickly look at the main components of Valotalive and how to get started. Our service consists of three main components. First is apps. Apps are integrations with tools you're already using. For example, SharePoint News, PowerPoint, and Power BI. Creating apps authorizes Valotalive to show the content on your digital signage, and you can get started by clicking the icon for the content you want to display. Next is flows. Flows are like a programmatic playlist for your apps that lets you designate the amount of time you'd like to see your content on screen based on weight. And you can get started by clicking on the plus icon to add a flow or click on the existing flow and edit it. Last is displays. Displays are where you add your apps or flows in order to see the content on screen. That's the high-level overview of how Valotalive works. For more detailed guidance, please explore the other articles in our Help Center or book a demo call with our support team. Thanks for watching.